we should be streaming on all those. All right, that works. That works. Let's see. That's working. Okay. All right. So we have issues. Issues. All right. That one's working. All right. Sorry about that. Had to get that thing working properly. Right. Sitchy, not Sitch. Richie, not Rich. Okay. NVDA. So why are we want to look at NVDA? I have no idea. Okay. Someone wants to take a look at NVDA. Richie. NVDA. Now, remember I said I'm looking for certain things. All right. I'm looking for consistency of profitability and and weekly options. So does NVD, what the hell is this one? NVDY. Oh no, I'm not going to bother with this one. Sorry, dude. September 19th, 17 October, 21 November, 16 January. Yeah, I don't do monthly. Remember I said weekly options only? NVDY, monthly. Yeah. I don't do monthlies. The numbers just don't work. Sorry. Okay. Weeklies only. So let's keep on keeping on. All right. Chris Gibson, how are you today? Vegas Nice wants to take a look at Apple AAPL. Now I did have Apple last week, and they got called away from me. Well, that's what happens. That's what I want to happen. Okay. High, low. Where was it? Where is it? Look at the motion. Up, down, up, sideways, up, and then now down. Okay. Look at the movement. This area right here. So let's zoom into that. Because believe it or not, even though I use this to give me some kind of idea, up, down. Just give me some idea of what it's been doing all year long. Well, that's months ago. All this is months ago. Okay, this is the area that's the most important. What is it doing now? Who's buying? Who's selling? Which direction is it going? That's important to me now. So let's take a look at the last 30 days. Okay. Here's your last 30 days. High, low, where was it? Where is it? Look at this. Up, down, up, down. So it's starting to come down now. Okay. I bought here at 204. Where's 204? Right about here, 204. But I bought months ago. Went up, down. Now she went up. There comes a point. If you do covered calls, you can make money every single week. But if you buy something here and it shoots up like this, you're not going to collect all of that. Granted, I only collect 2 or 3% on my Apple position, and somebody else got all of this. I didn't get that. Okay. Covered call. I sold for 205. I bought it at 204, sold it at 205, made my 1 or 2% for the week. Fine. Somebody else got all that. I don't care. Remember? Simple, safe, predictable, consistent 1% per week. I made 2 or 3% on that, so I'm okay with it. I shared the profits with whoever bought it from me. So at this moment in time, Vegas Knights. We hit the top last week. Now she's pulling back. So as much as I like Apple, I'll wait for it to come back down here again, somewhere in this area. Because when she jumps up like this, yeah, there's going to be profit taking, and then she comes back down again. Fine. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Apple on my list 2 weeks from today. So 2 weeks from today, we're going to take a look at Apple again. No sense looking at it today, tomorrow, or anytime this week. It's not going to drop that fast. No. If it does, I'm sure someone will say, "Hey, James, did you see Apple?" The house business wants to take a look at Chevron. We're going to say no to Chevron this week. No, don't get me wrong. I like Chevron. I do. But it only takes me 3 to 4 seconds to take a look at a chart. Let me show you what I found. Here's the high. Here's the low. Here's where it was. Here's where it is. Look at this. Up, down, up. See this area right here? It's at a 30-day high. I don't buy it at a 30-day high. Let's zoom in a little closer so you can actually see it. Okay. 30 days ago, here's your bottom. Shot up, pulled back. Now she shot up again. I don't buy it at the high. It doesn't make sense to me. Can you make most of your money buying low and then selling high? Buy low, sell high. I've never heard it the other way around. Oh, Kyle wants to take a look at Bristol Myers Squibb. BMY. Oh, I don't know. That's going to be a tough one. Look at this right here. Okay. 30 days ago, here's your high. Drops. Here's the bottom right there. Look at this. From 43 to 48. 43, 48, $5. $5 on a $43 stock is over 11%. Do you think it can go more than 11? I don't know. I wouldn't take that risk. Look where your top is. Your top's right here. Well, we're here now. Here's the top. Yeah, it's a little too close for me. Don't get me wrong. I love Bristol Myers Squibb. It is on my list. It's not this week. Ooh, Z. Applied Materials. AMAT. Ouch. Gonna be a no this week, but I want to keep a close eye on it. The reason being, look at this right here. We're gonna zoom into that in a little bit. Okay. There's your high. Here's your low. Here's where it was. Here's where it is. Look at this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Big drop. Right there, big drop. So what's happening here? I love big drops like this, especially on a good stock. And the reason being, okay. Reason being, stocks have a tendency to fill gaps. You see this gap right here? Like gap filled right there. Okay. High, low, that, and then here. So this big huge drop right here. Depending on what happens tomorrow, it might be a good idea. If I like 2 days to the upside. So Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. The 165 area. Maybe. We'll see what happens. So we'll keep our eye on that one. User 325574010812. Is SPY going to crash tomorrow? I'm going to tell you something that the great Bill Paxton once said. Don't know, don't care. I don't pay attention to the SPY. It's out of my price range, number one. And number two, it's not consistently profitable. If you take a good look at it and find out what the dividends are that have been paying, SPY ain't crashing. Thank Reza. Main squeeze lemonade. Reza, can you look at Target? Ooh, Target. Dividend king. Interesting. Not this week. What's going on there? What do you think? Down, up, down, up, down. So it's actually coming down at the moment. So no. Maybe in a week or so. Let's target down for next week. T G T. Here we go. Let go. LECO. I've looked at that once before. LECO. Lincoln Electric Holdings. I don't do monthlies. No. Oh, Canadian Fitness. Canadian Fitness. Kroger. Now, believe it or not, I actually own some Kroger. I do. So. High. Low. Where is it? Look at this. Up. Down. What's going on? Kroger. Okay. High. Low. Where was it? Look at this. Up, down. Gap down. One day up. So Kroger might be good sometime this week. So let's write Kroger down for this week. If she moves. 69. So the 70s would be going 476, which is over 1%. So that does fit. But if your bottom's here, one day to the upside, either one of these is going to be one day. Because they're both higher. The bottom's here, and that's higher, and that's higher. So where is it actually going to go? What is the movement? We'll take a look. Why you didn't sell more higher prices? Hayes, I'm not 100% sure exactly what you mean by that. I went against the grain. I went all in. I'm honestly so nervous I can't sleep anymore. So Washington Smith, I'm terribly sorry for that situation. One of the reasons why I do a very safe, boring. Seriously, this is boring as hell. 1%, really? That sucks if you think about it. But it's slow, boring, monotonous, profitable, consistent. I like profitable and consistent. Ooh, I forgot safe. So Hayes, you gotta explain to me, why didn't you sell more higher prices? I have no idea what that means. Lumina. Ford. Lumina wants to take a look at Ford. Now Ford was one of my favorite stocks a couple of years ago. Well, let's take a look at this. High, low. Where was it? Is it? Look at the motion. Sideways, down, up, down. We're at 1144. The 1150 is going for 13. That's over 1%. If you like Ford at 1150. Oh, J. Pez. I don't like any brick and mortar at any price. Who shops at Kohl's anymore? Press 1 in the chat. I have no idea what that means, but okay. So do you like Ford? So let's zoom in. Here's your last 30 days, which looks a little awkward if you think about it. Top, bottom. Where was it? Where is it? Look at this. Up, down, up. So it is 4 days to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can it continue going? Yeah, it could. But is it going to? And are you willing to take that shot? Well, $11.44 to own Ford. Ford's been around for over 100 years. The book value for Ford is a hell of a lot higher than that. So why the hell not do it? All right. Riz, hello. White Eagle wants to take a look at UPS. UPS. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, let's take a look at UPS. The high. Here's the bottom. Here's where it was. Here's where it is. Look at this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's definitely an upward trend at the moment. The bottom of the year was like last week. Well, I love the bottom of the year. I do. And it's UPS. Okay. Look at this. The top, here's the bottom. Up, down. It is definitely slowly going up. Very slowly. Look how slow it is. But it is still to the upside. 88.48. The 89s are going for 59 cents. So I'm going to say no to UPS. Even though this looks awesome. This here, 88.48 means I'll be looking at the 89s. And the 89s are selling for 59 cents. That's a no. Sorry. I love UPS. I do. It just means no because the numbers aren't paying enough. Okay. I got some noise in the background. Who's got the noise in the background? Oh. All right. You gotta watch the noise in the background. Sean wants to take a look at United Health, whatever it is, UNH. Try it one more time. UNH. Whoops. Uh-oh. Okay. Sorry guys, I have to mute Sean. He got noise in the background. Sorry, Sean. All right. UNH. Here we go. Here's your top. Here's your bottom. Here's where it was. Here's where it is. This is going to be a big fat no. Only because that big huge gap up. Okay. 30 days ago, we're here at 290. We dropped down here as the bottom. Nice slow progression here, and then a big gap up. So it goes from 270 to 304. That's a $30 gap. What do you think? You think there's going to be profit taken on Monday? I do. I wouldn't be jumping in on this one. I'd be taking profits. And there was a couple of people that did take these profits. See, here's your bottom here. 2 days to the upside. 1, 2. Third day would have been right here. Monday. See, bottom. 1, 2. Third day up, which would be there. Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. Boom. See, I like a 30-day bottom. I like 3 days to the upside on a 30-day bottom. Next. All right. K-Van. Hey James, just download Think or Swim. The journey begins. Yes, it does. The disc goes to Keel N. I have no idea what that means. So J Pez, I don't like any brick and mortar at any price. Oh, good for you, Jay. Who shops at Kohl's anymore anyway? I'm sure there's a bunch of people that do. JTM, good prices. Gotcha. Jen Pinsa. What if the stock drops to say 13? What do you do? Okay, so Jen Pinka or Pinsa, I don't know what that is. Here's my thought on that. Okay. Rule number 1. Never, ever buy anything unless you understand it, willing to hold on to it, regardless of what happens. Through sickness and health, richer or poorer, good, bad, whatever. Okay? If the stock drops, well, that's all stocks do. Let's take a look at UNH for a second. Okay.
You ready?
You ready?
Here we are
right here.
Over 600.
Down, up,
Down,
up,
down,
up,
down,
up.
That's all
they do.
If you're
thinking, my hair's a mess. If you're thinking a stock is going to do anything other than going down or going up, well,
let me know.
Because never, ever has any stock come to my house to take the dog for a walk, wash the dishes, fold the laundry, empty the trash. No. They go up, they go down. That's it.
Okay.
You buy it at 13. Can it go to 1 or 2? Yeah, it can. You buy it at 600. Can it go all the way down to 250? Yes, it can. Because that's what they do. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. Never buy anything you're not willing to hold on to. Good, bad, indifferent, ugly, high, low, whatever. That's all they do. They go up and they go down. If you're not ready to buy a stock and have it drop on you, you probably shouldn't be playing this game. Laurie, very blurry on TikTok. Very blurry on TikTok. I get 2 TikToks going. Which one is blurry? Yeah, this one looks like it might need a new camera. I don't know. We'll see. Noah, we already looked at D-Dog and it was a no. Crazy Man, we already looked at UPS. Carrillo wants to take a look at John Deere. John Deere is a dividend king, which means they have increased their profits for more than 5 decades consistently. But this doesn't look good right there. Or does it? That's an interesting question. Because to some people it's not a good thing. For other people, maybe it is. Well, our high of the years here. Bottom of the years. Look at the motion. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What's going on here? Look at the volume spike. Here's the average volume right here. Average volume. Look at this spike right here. That's a huge volume spike. So let's take a look at that.
Here's your last 30 days. Now the reason why I'm looking at the last 30 days, because the last 30 days gives me an idea of where do I think it's going next.
Hold tight for a second. So 30 days ago we're at 505. We shoot up to 525, and then last Wednesday we're at 510. And we drop all the way down to 470. There's your bottom right there. Thursday. Friday, one day to the upside. So Thursday's your bottom. Friday's one day up. Now I like 2 days up, and on the third day, which would be this Tuesday, if of course tomorrow's higher. So if tomorrow's higher, then Tuesday I'd be jumping in somewhere around 495. Somewhere around there.
If you like
John Deere, of course.
Okay,
Milton, we already looked at UNH.
Johnny Boy,
Trinity, T-R-I-N. I have no idea who the hell that is. T-R-I-N. Trinity Capital.
Okay,
Johnny Boy. 19 September, 17 October. No, I don't do monthlies. The numbers just never work out. It just doesn't make sense to do monthlies for me because the numbers just don't work for me.
Can you explain to me margins?
New money, margin. Basically, what happens with margin is if you put in 100 grand, the broker's going to give 100 grand. So instead of having 100,000 to play with, you've got 200,000 to play with. But that is borrowed money. It means you're paying to borrow that money. So if you're paying to borrow that money, you better be right, and you better be profitable. Because guess what? On margin, if the stock goes up $1, you make $2.
If the stock goes down $2, you lose 4. Okay? So margin magnifies your position. If you're right, you're right. If you're wrong, you're wrong. You know. So I always tell people never ever do margin unless you understand the risks involved. Now I've been trading for over 30 years, so I don't mind doing margin. Because I consistently make over 1% a week, and that's over 50% per year. So if I'm paying 10 or 20% to borrow money, well, I better be making more than 10 or 20%, so that I'm in a profit at the end of the year. I usually am, but that works for me. So no to Trinity. Sorry. What's the catch on dividends for USOI? What the hell is USOI? USOY. USOI. No, I never heard of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is define oil. Enhanced options income ETF USOI. So I'm going to look at historical data. Because the historical data, you know what, before I even do that, does USOI even have USOY monthly? Oh hell no! I don't do monthlies. Monthlies just don't work. So USOI is going to be a no. What was the stock you just reviewed? USOI. New money. Thank you. Crazy man. Joe American Eagle. I think it was. That was a while back. Previous tickers ARAEO. Was that one? Okay, thanks, Joe. Blah, blah, blah. HRF. Captain Brian. Please, what's the catch with USOI? Okay, Captain Brian, I don't do USOI. I mean, you just saw it right here. Okay, 19 September, 17 October, 19 December, 20 March. Yeah, I don't do monthlies. The numbers just don't work. J-O. What the hell is J-O? That's a no. K. Kellogg's? Yeah, Kellogg's. No, monthly. I don't do monthlies. K-O. Coca-Cola. Now Coca-Cola is a weekly. Coca-Cola is a dividend K, but they've been in business since the 1840s. Or the 1880s. One of those. But a long time. Okay, but I usually don't do Coca-Cola. The reason being, the big number on the board, 69.92. So I'll be looking at the 70s, and the 70s are paying 60 cents. Was that 0.8? Sorry. Coca-Cola numbers usually never work. I think I bought Coca-Cola twice in 20 years. Twice in 20 years. All right. Let's see we have questions over here. Questions. ETF. Maybe. INDV. What is INDV? ZBEC. Buy it fast. ZBEC. Never even heard of it. UNH. INDV. What the hell is that? INDV. Hell no. Satellite issue. You gotta give me the ticker symbol. I don't know that one. ZBEC. Never heard of it. And I don't do that when people say that kind of stuff. Hello. It's Ben said. Ben, how you doing? Jump in Coles was a mean stock buying that day. Up, down, up. Please stop. Hey! It's Chris 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you're back again. How lovely. Please explain the risks of covered calls. Okay. Here's the risk of covered calls. When you're buying a covered call, you run the risk of the earth opening up and swallowing the company you just bought. So let's take a look at Coca-Cola for a second. The risk of doing a covered call on Coca-Cola is, you ready? There could be an earthquake. on every single continent on the planet and swallow up every single Coca-Cola company there is. Every single Coca-Cola bottling machine, every single vending machine, every single T-shirt that's white with the white says Coca-Cola on it, everything associated with Coca-Cola can be swallowed up by an earthquake tomorrow. How's that, Chris? Does that work for you? The risk of covered calls is you buy a stock, you own it, you can do whatever you want. A covered call means you're buying something and you sell it to someone else for a certain price by a certain date. What's the risk? Well, the stocks could go down, but why would you buy the stock in the first place if you didn't know it had a chance of going down? So what's the risk? It's the same risk as every stock that you buy. It's the same risk as anything you buy. Anything. There's risk everywhere. So Chris, I'm not Chris 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta get it right. Okay, you gotta be more explicit on what do you mean the risk of a covered call. Oh, here's a risk. If I buy it here at 12, sell somebody the rights to buy it from me at 12, and it jumps up to 23. I stepped on the cord. That's never a good thing. So, as I was saying, let me get this thing right here. There it is. So, if I buy it at 12, sell somebody the rights to buy it from me at 12, rights to buy it from me. I collect the premium. Well, I collected my little premium. Somebody else collected this. Somebody else collected. Okay. What's another risk? Here's another risk. Possible. Could happen. You could buy this company and then go outside and get run over by a bus. There's a risk to buying that there too. Guess what? You could also, Chris, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also buy right here, and then you have that scenario where the computer comes alive and eats you. That risk I'm talking about, Chris. I don't even know why I even bother talking to you. You don't come up with anything solid. You just give me this crap, whatever floating around your head. What happens if the stock falls 20%? Please explain. Hold on a second. Okay. So Mr. Chris 1, 2, 3, 4 wants me to explain to you that if a stock is at 600 and drops all the way down to 250, the world's going to end. Is that what you want to hear, Chris? Because stocks go up, stocks go down. That's all they do. If you're not ready to play a game where stocks go up, stocks go down, stocks go up, stocks go down, you shouldn't be playing this game. Because it is a scenario that could happen and will happen. Just because you buy something, there's no guarantee that it's going to go up. Also, if you're one of those people who buy something and automatically go down, give me a call. Let me know what you're buying so I don't buy the same thing. It doesn't work that way. Stocks go up, stocks go down. That's it. Never, ever buy something you don't understand. And what I mean by understand, you should know what the 52-week high is. You should know what the 52-week low is. You should know if it has dividends. You should know if it has options. You should know a good idea of what usually happens in that stock if you're going to put your real money into it. So that's about all the entertainment I'm going to give you, Chris. Zach and Jazz, could you help me with college tuition? Sure, why not? What if it goes lower? You're almost there. Whatever. Shoot. What if you buy the call at a higher value, but not at a loss? Okay, number one, shoot. I don't buy options. I do not buy options. Okay, 80% of all options I buy are worthless, so I don't buy them. I sell them because I look forward to 80% of them expiring worthless. I want to be in the 80% side of that equation. Shoot. What if you buy? Okay, right there. Let's keep on going. Rasta Lives. Bo wants to look at MDLZ. Mandalese. MDLZ. Interesting. the low.
Here's where it was. Here's where it is. Look at the motion. Up, down, up, down, up. Okay. 62.08, 62 to go for 70. That's over 1%. That fits.
If you like
Mandelese.
All right,
All
well,
right, let's take a look.
a year ago, we're at
70.
and then she jumps up
Then she jumped to 76.
And guess
And
what?
guess what?
She dropped
below 20% because Chris 1, 2, 3, 4 wants to let you know stocks can drop 20%. But what happens when they drop 20%? Usually. They usually bounce right back up again. And then what happens? Oh, they drop again. And then when they drop again, they turn around and start going back up again.
That's
all they do. They go up until they're done,
and then they
go down until
last 30 days.
30 days.
Here we go.
Here's the high.
Here's the low.
Here's where it was. Here's where it is. Up, down. Now it's going back up again. Very slowly, but it is going up from the bottom right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days to the upside.
Argue
all you want. More than a 20% drop, and then she went up. But do you like Mandelese? Mondelaire, and whatever it is.
Are you willing to buy it and hold it until it hits your target?
Well, if it's at 62.08,
me personally, I do the 62.
I do because the 62s are paying 70 cents. So let's see what the 62 looks like. So here's the thing:
if the
stock goes up
from
62.08, I win.
If the stock
doesn't move at all, it just goes sideways. Guess what?
I win.
Again. Third.
If the stock goes down,
well, I'm looking at a new bottom.
That's
a risk that I have to think about.
Can it
go lower?
Yes,
it can.
How much
lower can it go?
Goes as
low as it can go until it's done going down.
That's all
they do. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. Regardless of what Chris 1, 2, 3 says. There's always going to be haters out there.
Haters
hate
because they
hate.
Chris
is one of them.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Chris.
Anyway,
the bottom is here.
Argue all you want.
That's the bottom right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the upside from the bottom.
The bottom of the year.
Bottom or what is it?
Nope, not the bottom.
Not the bottom of the year.
Bottom of the
year is right here. 54.
Okay, she
shoots up, pulls back. Now we're at the bottom of the last 90 days.
Okay. Are you
okay with that?
Do you
like
Mandelese?
That's a big question.
Okay.
Next.
LML.
Do we like QQQI
from a young
person
to hold
for 20 years? Okay.
No one else is going to tell him I will.
QQQI. Now,
who said this one?
Who said
LML? I have no idea what LML means. Okay, so here we are right now.
Okay, so
NEOS NASDAQ 100 High Income ETF QQQI. Let's take a look at historical data. Now, the reason why I want to look at historical data, I want to know over the last 20 years has this electronically traded fund actually been profitable? Let's find out. Electronically traded fund. ETF. I've seen enough Terminator movies. I've even seen 2001. I don't trust computers as far as I can throw them. All right, so historical prices. I want to click that. And go to dividends only. Then I want to come over to here. And I want to see the maximum amount. I want to see all of them. I want to see every dividend this entity has paid.
Wait a second. What's maximum on there? Minimum.
That's it. February 2024. What is this thing? It's like a year and a half old. Why are you putting your money into something that's only a year and a half old? Hold on. It actually gets a little worse. Hold on a second. Now, for those you don't know, a dividend is a portion of the profits that the company or the entity ETF, the entity gives to the investors. Kind of like an enticement to keep you holding on to the stock or to buy more stock. They're going to share the profits with you. That's exactly what a dividend is. Sharing of profits. So hypothetically speaking, every dividend should be higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Correct? All right. So 59, 60, 58, that's going backwards. Sorry. But I do know. I didn't go to college. I admit that. I'm terribly sorry for misleading you if you thought I did. But 59 to 60, that's going higher. That's a good thing. 60 to 58, that's going backwards. No. Okay, hold on. 61, 62, 61, backwards twice. 64, 60, backwards three times. 61, 62, 62. 61, 4 times 58, 5 times 53, 6 times 63, 62, 7 times. Okay, this thing's a year and a half old. 7. How many were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 7 out of 18 times. This thing went backwards. So my humble opinion, QQQI, no. It's not consistently profitable, number one. Number two, it's not even 2 years old. Now, I shouldn't say anything about that because the company I'm getting ready to start in January, 1st of the year. Okay, it'll be 0 years, but I'm guaranteeing 20% in case you're interested. Do we like QQQ for a young person home for 20 years? Yeah, no. Now, I'm not telling you what. If you think it's a good investment, go ahead. Chris again. Please start asking questions about risk. Okay. Here's some risk. How many people think risk is a good thing or a bad thing? Without risk, there is no reward. Alrighty. Chat. He doesn't answer questions. Okay. I don't know why you say that one. Spaghetti. Why are commodities going up? Raw materials. Look at it this way. Why are commodities going up? Well, let me see if I can explain it to you in a manner in which you might be able to understand. Okay. When old Humpty Dumpty decided to increase tariffs on everything, well, it means people aren't going to be importing so much because they don't want to pay the high prices of those tariffs. So great. What do you think is going to happen? People are going to start making stuff in the United States. Well, what do you use when you make stuff? Raw materials. What is raw materials? Commodities. Sugar, wood, concrete, sand, oil, gas. Anything that you need in order to make something is a raw material, also known as a commodity. That's why they're going up, more than likely. But an FX trader for 12 years interested in doing this, is it hard to learn Golf Guy 78? Okay, the strategy I'm teaching you right now, free, was created for my 9-year-old daughter. 9 years old. Simple, safe, predictable, consistent. LMN, I don't know. He's never answered a question I've posted. Well, you gotta answer back. Scott, thanks for that. You gotta ask a better question. Joe, did we look at Walmart a little while ago? I think we did. This guy is going to get people hurt. Oh my God, Chris. I'm just going to delete you. If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything else.
Nothing good to say.
Nothing to say. Don't say anything. Ooh. Be a brew. Okay. Brewbacker. What do I think of ICU? Intensive care unit. I don't know. ICU. Do you see me? I see you.
Ooh, wait a second.
I see you.
I don't think that's what he's talking about, but let's go here. Oh, check that out. ICU has no dividends this time period. Sorry. How about SLB? That'd be Schlumberger. We're looking at that.
That'd be Schlumberger. We're
Spy calls for next week. So Joseph went over earlier. Number one, I don't do spiders. S-P-Y. Let me show you why I like the spiders. Okay. So here are the dividends for the spiders. Dividends for the spiders. 20 years. Okay. Which is 2005. So let's go all the way back to 2005. Right here. Okay. Now I'm not going to do all of them. I'm not going to do all of them. You get the point of what I'm trying to say. Okay. If a company is profitable, even an index, if it's consistently profitable, which means the numbers should get higher and higher and higher. Should. Okay. March 18th, 2025. 46. 48. 52. 67. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in a row. Went up. 51. Backwards. 55, 57, 79, 55, backwards. 65, 71, 72, 77. Or 77, right there, 77. Okay. 64, that's 3 times. 66, 69. 56, that's 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. Not consistently profitable. Why would you invest in a company or an entity that's not consistently profitable? Hold on a second, let me show you something. What do I mean by consistently profitable? Go back to 2005. Okay, you ready? 2005. Okay. This is Microsoft. You ready? 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 16, 20, 23, 28, 31, 36, 39, 42, 46, 51, 56, 62, 68, 75, 83. Every single year the number got higher and higher. That is what is consistent profitability looks like. Right, what do we have here? CLRO. I bought it for 12. Now it's at 4. CLR. What the heck is CLRO? CLRO. Hell no. All right. Unfortunately, there are no options. Okay. I only have 2 criteria. One, consistency of profitability. 2, weekly options. Oh, look at this. We have another turd for the day. Mr. Wales, OMG, you talk a lot and say absolutely nothing. Your grift is insane. Now I'm understanding the word grift as in what I'm trying to sell you is insane. I'm not trying to sell anything. And you, my friend, have not been paying attention. All right.
Let's keep on keeping on. Mr. Wills. Yeah, right. Energy transfer. Sam, we looked at energy transfer a little while ago. Remember I told you I don't like energy transfer, and the reason I don't like it? Okay, zeros. Offering a bunch of zeros here. Anytime you're looking at a stock in order to, if you're going to do covered calls on them, how much are you going to make? Well, you have to take into consideration what if the stock goes down. If the stock goes down, you're going to be one or two strikes out of the money. So is it going to be worth it? Is it going to be worth it to buy? Well, look at this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 8. Well, the stock's at 17. 8 is a half a percent. 2 is ridiculous, and 0 are non-existent. So it's always going to depend on what are they offering. Okay, Sam? I don't like. There's a few of them. Energy transfer is one, AG&C is another, and there's a few others. Microsoft prints you right. ARB. What's ARB? Sounds familiar. Arbor. All right. Arbor Realty, isn't that it? ARB. No options. That's going to be a no. Right off the bat, it's going to be a no. Sorry. Strike yo. Hey, listen. What's your annual income? Your camera's backwards. Thank you. When you make a trade, does the stock and option purchase happen simultaneously? No. Buy the stock first, and then you sell the option. Now, when you do a covered call, you're buying the stock and selling the option. Well, it's almost instantaneous. Almost. But you got to buy the stock first. Open your opinion, please. Open. That's a different stock, isn't it? OPEN. My opinion on open. Well, if this thing is 50 cents a couple of weeks ago, how could it possibly have 22 decades of increased profits? I'm kind of curious. ARB, when? Oscar wants to take a look at when. WEN. What the hell is when? No, I don't do monthly. Sorry. KEX. Never heard of them either. KEX. Nope. Don't do monthlies. Nope. Sorry, Oscar. What do you think about Upstart? Okay, Remar, Carino. You got to give me the ticker symbol. Now, see, I'm pretty good with stocks that are consistently profitable for the last 2 decades. But you asked me a stock that doesn't fit the criteria. I have no idea. AG. What is AG? AG. Interesting. First Majestic. Never heard of them. Why have I never heard of AG? AG. Let's put AG into Yahoo Finance and find out what we're looking at. Let's put AG into Yahoo Finance. Oh, all the way back to 1990. Wait a second. Hold on. 2021. 0.005. That's like a half a cent. A half a cent. 6. Half a cent. 8. 6. 5. There's no increase in there whatsoever. I'm going to say no to this one. Sorry. Number one, it's like 3 or 4 years old. Number two, there's no increase in the dividends whatsoever. So DT 1989-13, yeah, no. Thank you, Oscar. When is Wendy's? It's also a monthly optional stock, and I don't do monthlies. The numbers just don't work. DT got assigned, I'm assuming. Do a CSP then? Oh, yeah, no. Sorry. What was that ticker? AG? Can you look at Microsoft prints? Yeah, let's take a look at Microsoft. MSFT. Interesting. High, low, where was it? Where is it? Look at the motion. Sideways, down, up, down. Not quite the time to jump into Microsoft if you like Microsoft. Let's take a look at the last 30 days. What do you think? Here's your top. Here's your bottom. Sideways, up, down, sideways. Not a lot of movement. But what is it telling you? It's just going sideways for the last 2 weeks. Until she moves, it doesn't make any sense. Unless of course you do like it. Because the 520s. See, right now it's at 520. And the 520s are going for 505. Not quite 1%. So no. Sorry. Doing a put on. Good for you. Can you look at AG? Already looked at AG. When? Already looked at when? What's your options trade? I saw you had the chain up. All depends on which stock we're looking at. He's doing covered calls. Thank you. Bulldog Mike. I run diagonals. Cool. Love diagonals. Xerox. Ooh, shoot. Xerox. What is Xerox? It's ticker symbol. I don't know off the top of my head. I wonder if this is real. He doesn't read messages. Okay. Now, I'd like to be the. Is that DT 1989-13? I don't read messages. Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six screens have messages. I got 4 or 5 screens down here below. I have no idea how to get to those messages. So the messages down here I don't read. But all of these I do. And believe it or not, there's a whole bunch of people here, and no, I cannot read each and every question when they pop up. I get to them whenever I can. Look at me, CLRO. What the heck is CLRO? CLRO. Hell no. No options. No, thank you. Sorry, dude. XRP is not a dividend stock. Yvonne, what are we looking at here? Investing for dividend. Dividend investing for weekly cash flow. Can you list 5 stocks you are invested in? Sure. Harley Davidson. Intel. Hertz. Macy's. AA. Alcoa. Yeah. It can be an individual gambling. All right, Jim. Thank you for that. Sweet Dan. From gambling. Pepsi. Ooh, Pepsi. Dividend King. Ooh, no. Isn't that weird? No, we were following Pepsi for quite a while. We watched Pepsi drop here, do this, and drop again, waiting to find the bottom here. Finally found the bottom. Now she's shooting up here. Well, look at this here. Don't get me wrong. I love Pepsi. I do. But I don't buy anything at the high. Okay. Here's your 30 days. Here's your high. Here's your low. Here's where it was. Here's where it is. Look at this. Sideways down, up. If you like it, fine. You do it. I don't buy it the 30-day high. Okay. She went from 138 to 151. 10, 13, 14, 15 bucks, which is 12%. That's a 12% increase right there. No, thank you. Anything over 10, I jump out. That's over 12. Okay, look at me. CLRO, we already looked at that. Risk is good. You're absolutely right. Risk is good. Without risk, there would be no reward. With no risk, there is no reward. So what's the sense of playing if there's nothing to play for? Cable One. Joe Berman, how are you doing? Can you list 5 stocks you've invested? Yes, I've already done that. Dia. What the heck is Dia? DHAI. Uh-oh, I missed all those. Where are we? Kroger, Texas Instruments, Kroger. There it is right there. West B, DHAI. What the heck is DHAI? DHAI. Die Holdings. Hell no. Okay, we already looked at Open. We already looked at Pepsi. We already looked at Kroger. You looking at stocks? Absolutely. What are your top prospects for Monday's stock picks? User Ed, how are you doing today? Can you look at XERS? What the heck is XERS? XERS. How about no? I don't do monthlies. Sorry. Ooh, Wavelength, Xterra, and NEE. Next here you go. Ooh, big jump. Sorry, dude. This has got a pullback name all over it. Let's zoom in and I'll show you. Don't even have to look at the rest of it. Look at that big jump. Okay, here's your top, finds the bottom, nice trend there. Big jump here with a jump this big, more than likely. Not guaranteed, but more than likely there'll be a little bit of a pullback tomorrow. And Canadian Fitness wants to take a look at Kroger. Holy crap, it's past 11, I'm done. Yeah, Kroger jumped down here. Let's take a look. Ooh, I like that. Now we looked at Kroger earlier. Look at this gap. That gap is going to fill. As soon as you get 2 days to the upside, here's the bottom. 2 days to the upside, then she should shoot up past that. All right, so past 11, I'm going to answer questions, and then I'm going to be done. Okay, look at me. CLRO, we looked at it already. It was a no. Okay, ask once. Who? I heard tomorrow. Bridges will be up, elevators down, and paper mill. All right, that's pretty lame. Zim integrated Silly Billy. I have to take a look at it tomorrow. Cool Arrow tomorrow. Gem, like roulette. Pay the 12 and 24 black and white. What's your plan for Home Depot earnings? Sammy will take a look at it tomorrow. Jim, Microsoft is consistent. I like that one. Look at me, Clear One. Got it. 36. Kroger, MD, ADM, Advanced, Archer Daniel, Midland. I like that one. What's your big plan for Home Depot headed into warning? Stay away from it. Archer, wait a minute, AMD, Advanced Micro Devices is supposed to be making processors in Texas. Cool. Williams Company of Interest, WMB. Yeah, but it's a monthly. I don't do monthlies. SPG, I have to look at it tomorrow. SOXL, I have to look at it tomorrow. Why don't you do monthlies? Silly Billy, let me see if I can explain it to you as simple as I can. You ready? Monthlies. Monthly. 12 months. Weekly. 52. So the question would be, if I'm getting 1 to 2% for each option trade I do, 12 would be 12 to 24%. Weekly, 52 would be 50 to 100%. So the question is, do you like 50 to 100%, or do you like 12 to 24? That's number one. Second, trying to figure out where a stock's going to be in 30 days is not as easy as you think. 5 days is challenging enough, but 30 days, very challenging. So I just don't like monthlies. They just don't pay enough. Can't see the whole screen. Oops. All right. there.
Okay.
That should be better right there.
Can you look at
SOX Alpha tomorrow?
Top
three for a hold.
I wouldn't
know what to type because I don't know anything about you. WMB. Ooh. That you have do many screens.
Probably
I do.
Realty
income. Rude, we'll take a look at that tomorrow. Later, man. Thank you, Jim. Have a good night.
All right, Canadian
Fitness. We already looked at Kroger. MOH. The next United Healthcare may be. Root tomorrow. BTCM tomorrow. Tomorrow. Sammy tomorrow.
Thank you
for your time. You're welcome. Thank you.
Why
do you not sell cash secured puts?
Okay,
Y clip or YO clip?
I didn't say
I didn't.
Okay.
I do. Just not as often as you'd like me to. Okay.
Is
this fake? Unfollow. He doesn't answer questions. Okay. Thank you. Apple will close the gap. Probably will. Landscape exec. I'd like to know his net worth doing this type of trading. Why is my net worth so important?
Okay.
Now, when you went to school, elementary school, did you ask your teacher what their net worth was?
They were
teaching you.
So
what does me teaching have anything to do with the amount of money or net worth that I have? Interesting question.
What about
Undo?
Who the
hell's Undo?
Shoot.
Xerox will take a look at tomorrow.
Okay.
Apple usually we already looked at UPS. How low will UPS go until it's done? Sold two Harley Davidson options last week. Your thoughts on how? I love Harley Davidson. I do. Okay. So D-Min LC will take a look tomorrow. Why? I always watch, and it seems you always do covered calls. Just curious.
Okay. So
YO clip. Just to answer your question, or to touch base on that.
I know
a lot of crap.
I could
go over everything I know, and it would lose about 80 to 90% of the people in the conversation.
I give away one trading strategy for free.
One. That's a covered call. And if you do it right, that's 1% a week. That's 50% per year.
When is the last time anyone gave you advice that could
make you 50% per year?
What's up,
Tony? Yeah. Yep. You see. Thank you. Prithapal Tour. UNH, where you looked at that one.
Okay,
Derek
Kerr,
Hood.
Robin
Hood does not have
dividends.
I don't think.
Definitely
not 20 years worth.
What about
Cisco? We'll take a look tomorrow. New Jersey 78, Mara, we already looked at it. Rivian has not been around for 20 years, and I don't even think they have dividends. Baxter. Ooh, I love Baxter. Shoot.
I like
Xerox too.
Are
you a day trader? No, I am not.
That's
something to think about. Yes, it is. I tried day trading. No, thank you. Do you trade differently in other accounts? Yes, I do. I'm giving away for free this one trading strategy. Not asking for anything in return. Okay, just passing on the information. That's it.
Jeff,
RTX. Ooh, I like Raytheon.
What do I think
of Bitto? We'll see. CMG. Isn't that Chipotle? CMG. Wild clip, appreciate the content. You're welcome. So done with everyone except for YouTube, and I'm not going to go through YouTube because some of these people, the numbers do lie. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I doubt it. What are your thoughts on Gooner's theory? Okay, never mind. Lord, no faith. I'm new. I've been listening. What's the trade secret? Patience. Don't be greedy. Keep it simple. Keep it safe. And don't buy anything you don't want to hold on to. Nickel.
How do I find these weekly option companies? What's the specific jargon I should be looking for?
Nickel
Nickel
picker,
picker, are you ready?
CBOE.
CBOE. Chicago Board of Options Exchange. CBOE.com.
Just go there.
Just go there.
Weekly
optionable stocks.
That's it.
Because the
website,
website
CBOE.com,
has a
has
little search bar.
And in
the search bar, you write
weekly
stock
options.
options.
Michelle, what's up? All right,
We're past 11 o'clock.
I've
done my 2.5 hours. You guys have a great night.
All right.
Catch you guys again tomorrow.
Steve,
thank you for that. Can't wait for the hedge fund. I can't wait either. We had a meeting on it today, trying to figure out ifs, ands, and buts, and how people get compensated. That's always a fun one.
All right, you guys have a great night, and we'll see you again tomorrow. And now, done with you guys over here. And done with you guys right there. Josh. So those weekly searchers are the best search you can invest.
Okay, Josh, it's always going to depend on what it is you're looking to do.
Okay,
me, I want weekly cash flow. I don't hide that whatsoever. That's my desire. Weekly cash flow. The only way I'm going to get it is to find something that trades on a weekly basis. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum.